How to turn off show when you are active together on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off show when you are active together on Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and now click on your profile up there and click on active status, and all you need to do now is click on show when you are active together and turn off this option. So now if you turn on this option, your friends and connection can see when you are active together on Messenger. You will also be able to see when they are active together with you. For example, they may see when you are active together in the same shot. You can turn off this option or on, whatever you choose. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.